We're facing a really big problem in storage today. As we look at things in the future, shared storage is going to come to an end in the traditional architecture as we know it. SAN and NAS are finished. The network bandwidth and the SSD bandwidth that are coming, that already are here, compared to the CPU bandwidth available, that ratio is very large and growing, which means that if you place a CPU in between a network cable and an SSD array, you are fundamentally bottlenecking that transaction. So if you look at the slide, what you'll see here is the growth of a network cable over time, the growth in bandwidth of an SSD over time, and then the growth of a DRAM bandwidth per socket over time. This is a log plot. So those slopes are showing that SSDs and networks are growing very steadily, doubling every 18 months, but DRAM per socket is only doubling every 28 months. And so that ratio has no sign of abating, will continue to grow. Placing that CPU and that DRAM bandwidth in between those things is a serious problem. We're going to have to look at new architectures and new ways to get that CPU out of that fundamental data path. If you'd like to know more, please go see my OCP talk. I'm sure it's posted on YouTube by now. Thanks very much.